cooking tortang talong, we need these ingredients. First is eggs, seasoning mix, salt, Hi guys, I'm Trishamay Tihagong from Grade 4 Star, and I'm going to cook one of the Filipinos recipe, which is tortang talong. The things that we are going to use for cooking is pan, electric stove, gloves, bowl, and spatula, whisk, knife, and a cutting board. These tools, you can actually see quadrilateral shapes like this. Like this, you can see square. This one is rectangle. This knife, you can see the rectangle. Okay. And in this spatula, you can see a triangle. This cutting board is a rectangle. And this stove is a square shape. This adapter too. Tortang talong, we need these ingredients. First is eggs, seasoning mix, salt, pepper, and eggplant, of course. Why not? And the last thing we need is a cooking oil. It's time for cooking. Let's go. Let's go. First, we have to heat the eggplant over the fire until it turns black. Next, while waiting, we're going to beat the egg and add a pinch of salt. I will add some pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Continue beating until the salt and pepper are blended. Let's put a small amount of ginisa mix on the beaten egg. Mix, mix, mix.
A few minutes later.
Then let's check our eggplant if the skin is already turned to black. Anong gagawin ko na? I think we're done. Let the eggplant cool down. Then we're going to peel the skin. Now we're going to peel the skin off.
Awan ka ganun. Sabi ni meron ka lang ang papi kami. Diba?
Let's cut it into two since I have a small pan. We're going to dip the eggplant in the mixture.
Ulit.
Turn on our electric stove to fry. And let's wait it to be hot. Heat oil in the pan. Gano'n kadami na.
Sige, go pa. Yan, butter. Enough na.
Huwag na. Kinitin mo pa kasi.
Once the oil is hot, let's start to fry.
Okay.
I think our oil is ready, so we're going to add the eggplant on the oil. Medium heat. We're going to put it in medium heat. I think our oil is ready. We're going to fry our eggplant on the oil. It's sizzling. Be careful, it's hot. Safety first. Safety first. Yeah. Let's wait until it turns brown. It's already brown. We're going to So guys, I think it's already cooked. We're going to transfer it to the clean plate. There. We're going to fry the other half.
Be careful. Ouch! Sabi ko, be carefully.
Sorry. Sorry, mommy. You and Elisa, I will give you. Because you can... Let's see if it's...
Be careful.
Cooked.
Be careful.
Oh.
Yeah, it's already cooked.
You know? Finally, serve it to your family. Bye-bye.
face.